Okay, before we begin the proper maths part of the lesson, I just wanted to go over a few things to help you understand sort of where you are with VCAL numeracy. Okay, so if we look back at last week, we had, which was week 1, I'm calling it week 1, lesson 1. We only had the one lesson, and that was last Thursday. And so we worked on skill sheet 1, and you're expected to do questions 1 to 5, which many of you did. Okay, and then week 2, we only had the one lesson last week, so week 2, lesson 1, that was yesterday's lesson, and we continued with skill sheet 1, and you're expected to do questions 6 to 8, which I would say quite a few of you have done most of it, but some of you have struggled with that. Today's lesson, which is week 2, lesson 2, I want you to get used to that sort of terminology. That's how we set up the learning tasks, for example. Then we are going to introduce skill sheet 2, and you'll be expected to do, or you'll be set, questions 1 to 4. Now there's a video for that, an example, and there's also compass notes, and all that's in the compass lesson plan. Now, what I really wanted to say was I get that some people are getting behind with this, and I don't want you to get too stressed out. So really, if you don't get to this today or not much of this today, that's okay, as long as you're working on where you're up to, either here or here. Okay, get the first part done, skill sheet 1, questions 1 to 5, get them completed, get it marked, etc., and get it loaded up before you move on. Okay, so in general, complete skill sheet 1, first before moving on. Every time you do something, correct your work. Now, I've already uploaded skill sheet 2. Some of you who were here at the end of last term would already have that, but for those of you who don't, it's loaded up on the Compass resources. Either have it on screen or print it off if you can. Correct your work as the skill sheet and the answers are there as well in a separate sheet. And ask for help when you get stuck. Now, some of you are doing that really well by email. And for today, that's the only way we'll go about it as well, email. And hopefully by Thursday, we'll have maybe some better or more efficient methods of communication. That might be Padlet or Google Docs. Okay, thank you.